Hello, it's day 8 and we are on the second week of our 365-day challenge. If you liked doing these doodles, you could also subscribe to my other channel, Shekainah Art, where I am making more random doodles, and I'll see you there. So today it's day 8, we're going to be drawing a snail. So first, let's make our cross axis, the vertical and horizontal axis. So I'm starting with this red sketch line for the circle. So after that, we're gonna erase a line on top of the head, and we're gonna make a room for the ears or the antenna of the snail. And then I'm gonna be using a black pencil to sketch around the circle to make the head and the body of the snail. So just copy what I'm doing, like make a straight line down and then curve it a little bit to make the body of the snail. So it's gonna look like this. I'm adjusting the tail and curving it a little bit. So next we're gonna make another circle at the back of the snail. This is gonna be the shell. So I'm gonna be using another red circle. So as you can observe, I'm using a red marker for I'm using a sketch pencil, a red sketch pencil for the circles. So let's make a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're gonna make a swirl at the back of the snail. So just make a swirl. It looks like a number 9. And then we're gonna draw the eyes. It's gonna be on both sides of the face. Make sure it's in the middle of the line, the horizontal line, and then let's draw some circles on the eyes and then the mouth, and then I'm making some lines on the shell of the snail, like so. So now let's move to outlining the snail. So get your thicker pen and then let's outline our sketch, and then let's remove the background that we did, the background sketch, and just copy what I'm doing. And I'm making the eyes, and then I'm going to be shading the black part of the eyes and the black part of the mouth. So it would look like this. And then we're going to color the body of the snail. So it's going to be like a turquoise or a teal, a light teal color. I'm just swatching which color I would use. So just bear with me for a little bit and you find the color that you like. And then we're going to start from the corners and the sides, and then fill it in all the way to the middle. So it would look like this. So our body is complete. Now we're gonna make this shading. So let's shade like what I'm doing, just a little bit darker color, a darker shade of teal or turquoise. So I'm shading the body right now, and then the antenna a little bit, the sides of the body like this. It's a very thin line. So just copy what I'm doing, and then we're gonna proceed coloring the shell. So it's gonna be pink, so the mouth is also pink, so just use the same color. So I'm using a pink, and then we're gonna use a darker shade of pink for the shading of the shell. So as you can see, I'm just like outlining the lines for the shading of the dark pink. And then that's it. That's our snail for today. So day 8 of 365 complete. I hope you enjoyed that. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow.